Hey, happy holidays and welcome back to His Love, Her Home, where this mom talks love, learning, and truth when it comes to homeschool and motherhood. I recently won over on Instagram a box from Owlcrate Jr. So today I will just be sharing a quick unboxing with you so you can see whether this is something that you would like to get for your child in your home. I am by no way being sponsored or paid to do this unboxing for you today. So let's open up this box. It says caution may contain magic. And then you open it and it tells you guide to unboxing, how to unbox and share it with the world. And then this is what the inside looks like as you open it up. So for December 2022, the theme is to think big. And on the back, it basically tells you everything that is going to be in this box. So first things up, cozy up with a warm cup of inspiration with your new Back to Future inspired ceramic mug. There's a cute box that the cup comes in. Comes all wrapped up and nice. And this is what it looks like. Goes all the way around. And there's actually a cool Back to the Future. If you guys ever watch those movies, it almost looks like the scene from Back to the Future with the car. That's actually cool. I actually like that. Next up is some cool socks. It says Mysterious Society Socks Exclusive. This is the front. These are the back. I can flip it open so you can see. It kind of has like a magnifying glass. Flashlight. These are cute. And of course, there's always some beautiful packaging in the box. And the next thing they have is a mini illusion thinking putty. Kids love these. I feel like these are better than the other ones because they do not get all over everything. Ugh, I can't stand slime, guys. Unless you make it right. Some slime, you know, it just doesn't come out right and then it sticks to everything. And then it says, when she tied her hair up in a ribbon to keep it out of her eyes, it meant that the gears and levers of her inventing brain were whirling at top speed. Lemony Snicket. If you guys ever seen Lemony Snicket, a series of unfortunate events, I definitely love watching that series with my kids. You open it up inside and there is a bandana. This is cool. Like a Lemony Snicket bandana. Something to get your brain thinking. So you put it on and you're thinking, right? The next thing, it says, just because something works doesn't mean that it cannot be improved. So that's a cool little science saying that you can keep working till something works, right? And then inside, it's just some graph paper. It's a cute little notebook to keep some notes in. The next thing is, it says the book of big ideas. It's actually like a tin container. You open it and it's a place to keep your big ideas. It says, my next big idea, robots that do your homework, cotton candy puppies, dinosaur pirates, alien butterflies. So a little thinking container. That's cute. So the book is a Futureland Battle for the Park. This is an Owlcrate Jr. exclusive edition. So I guess you get some extra things when you get your Owl Crate Jr. box when you get a book. It says a Futureland Battle for the Park is the action-packed middle grade debut from the author H.D. Hunter. Your Owlcrate Jr. edition comes with a signed book plate, a letter from the author. Wow. And the final 2022 character trading card. And if you see that, that's one of the trading cards right there. That's the letter inside the book. Very interesting. I will definitely let you guys know how my son liked this book after he finished reading it. And the last thing that is in the box is a card that says next month. So if any of you would like to get an Owlcrate for your child. I will see if they have any promotions or try to reach out to them to see if they will give you guys a coupon code. Next theme for January's Owlcrate Junior is Scales and Smoke. Set foot in the land of dragons, witches, and magic next month. Our first book of 2023 is a timeless fantasy debut that follows 4 unlikely heroes bound together to save the world. It says if your child likes How to Train a Dragon, Wings of Fire, and The Knight's Silver Promise, they will love the next adventure. In the bottom of the box, when your child is finished getting everything out, it says, enjoy your adventure. That is very nice. I like this. As always, do what serves your home, and this mom will check you out next time. Bye.